Hey everyone, in this video we'll talk about switching your accounts with TikTok on Capcut. In order to do so, first off, here we are on Capcut for desktop, and what we're looking for is at the top left hand corner in the menu. If we click on that, then you're going to see the back to home page button, and this is where you're going to want to do this. So we'll go ahead and click on that there. And now here we are back on the home page, and you can see that we have the sign in button here up at the top. If I click on that there, then you can see the option here to sign in with TikTok. I'm going to go ahead and sign in with Google just for the purposes of demonstration here. Just going to click a couple buttons. Okay, so now we are logged in with our Google account, but if we wanted to switch to TikTok, and the same concept applies across the board, if you look up at the top left-hand corner, you're going to see this little icon here that looks like two arrows pointing in the opposite direction. We're going to go ahead and click on that, and now you can see that you have the option to sign out. So if we click sign out, then now we'll see the sign in option, and if we now click sign in, then here again, we're back to the same page and we can sign in with TikTok. So if you're signed in with TikTok and you want to sign in to a different account, then you'll have to sign out and then sign in with that different account. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.